We have a brush called All Over Treatment. Has a silicone reservoir, and it has a handle so that you can control the pressure and the application on your skin. I have no makeup on this morning. I'm 53. I haven't had any correctives, like I don't do Botox or fillers. I do other things. However, I'm really all about activating the natural collagen and elastin of our body. Like I feel like our body can reproduce if we take care of ourselves internally and externally, that our skin wants to revitalize. And so that's why I think it's really important to use great products, and great products are an investment. So for an all-over treatment, that means there's a lot of product going to be used. I want to make sure that I'm able to apply it all over my skin evenly, which I think is not easy to do with our fingers because our fingers will absorb. And if you are into massaging your face, which I totally understand, I like to also create a first protective layer. So with our all-over treatment and the dosage system, you can use your most coveted skincare and whatever, if it's an oil, a facial oil, if it's a serum. I love serums, and I use a gold serum, I use hyaluronic serums, I use all kinds of things. I love product, and I love how it feels when I apply product to my skin. And you can see that the way I hold it, the way I'm now able to easily apply the product around my hairline, the control that I have. I'm gonna need to reapply for sure, because I just like to have a pretty nice layer. But if I wanted to, this could be my morning application. That could be underneath my moisturizers or my primers. I can get it all around my jawline. I can go to my neck for the excess product. I can just press that right in. And now I've just applied a serum or a facial oil evenly. And then I have a habit of pressing product into my skin. Even I do this with my foundation because I like an even coverage. And if there's any need for corrective, dark spots, uneven skin tone, I feel like this will take care of it. So this is our all-over treatment by Anisa Beauty. I hope you can check it out. I think you'll love it. Thanks.